Hey everyone, welcome back to Writer's ER. Today we're tackling something super important but often tricky: how to share the cool stuff you found in your research with everyone, not just the experts. Let's jump right into 8 easy tips that can help make your research understandable and interesting to folks outside your field. 1. Know who you're talking to. First up, think about who you want to listen to your research. Is it someone like your neighbor, a friend who's not a scientist, or maybe a kid? Keeping them in mind will help you choose simpler words and share your findings in a way that catches their interest. 2. Keep it simple. Your research might be complex, but your explanation doesn't have to be. Try to break it down. Use everyday language and examples that relate to things most people know about. It's like explaining how a rocket works by comparing it to a balloon flying around when you let the air out. 3. Draw it out. Sometimes a drawing or a chart can say more than a whole bunch of words. Use visuals like graphs or pictures to help explain your points. It's a lot easier to understand something when you can see it. 4. Tell a story. Everyone loves a good story, so why not turn your research into one? Talk about the journey of your research, the problems you wanted to solve, and how your findings can change things for the better. This way, people can connect with your work on a personal level. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. 5. Get social. These days, social media is where it's at. Share cool facts, pictures, or quick videos about your research on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok. It's a fun way to get people interested in what you're doing. 6. Start a blog. Blogging gives you more room to talk about your research in an easygoing way. Share stories about your experiments, the ups and downs, and what excites you about your findings. It makes your research feel more real and relatable. 7. Speak up. Whether it's giving a talk, joining a webinar, or hopping onto a podcast, speaking about your research can reach people you wouldn't expect. It's also a great way to answer questions and get everyone involved in the conversation. 8. Go open access. Lastly, if you can, publish your work in open access journals. This means anyone can read your research without having to pay for it. It's a great way to make sure your hard work can benefit more people. So there you have it, folks. 8 simple ways to make sure your research doesn't just stay locked up in a lab or library, but gets out there and makes a difference. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know down in the comments. And sharing knowledge is how we all grow together. We're here to help make the journey through your research and writing a bit smoother and more fun. Got a question or a cool idea for our next video? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writer's ER for more tips and tricks. Keep researching, keep writing, and let's make the world a smarter place, one video at a time. See you next time.